Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ki doctor, ki nurse, ki Nonghikai, ki father, ki sister, ki brother, ki kena school ringkat buba peti Sawkmie, kila Bynnud ba nakabantau padar CM Jus. Ubala haban netno syakal kata West Bengal. Ban ino ikakam syakri blay hang ni hanong ba Shillong kaboladan daki paus na menta. Hakabay day baka ni jinglit no jong pada CM Jus ka sharing ministry kala pelong ka farewell program ne ka program ai kublay ban penpaw ka jing songo syabon net no. Kabala pelong has Great Heart Theological College auditorium maulai hakakat pratrek naitung araja apun Rieu kasisat jan. Kumban syukudau ufada CM Jus udai wene kinong kami ya ka sharing ministry hakabas sumar yaki badan jingduna hak department ujira paskul yaki badung or operasionaru yaki yeng badung nakabanta kirangli ki juki. Hakading sngi wa peti Sawkmie emle barem ulapan kuburom dakajain rendia ya ufada CM Jus. Barkumju ufada Joseph uban shimti hakajaka jong u. Hakani sngi la yoru ki program syat neki kena skol beper ki badan hapok maulai. Haba ajingkan uba Sawkmie ula pertu yaki kam ufada CM Jus. Bat ulong pakin kenja abha nakajing bamdon syu mau hang ni hamaulai. Hang ni kasngi la yoru ya jingkran nakakong sumarlen malengyang berka Dr. Martina Marwen ufada Joseph bat kiwei.
We would like to present a song for you, and the name of the song is God.
You are the one who sent your Son, Jesus, to save us all. And it's in your name that all that we do, being expressing grateful to dear Father Joseph Makura for all that has been to each one of us here, particularly the so many of those who have gathered here, all around who have benefited from his initiative, from his hard work. And so many, he has involved so many benefactors, well-wishers, not only from our country, but all over the world.
With immense joy and heartfelt gratitude, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to each one of you gathered here for this special farewell program in honor of our beloved Reverend Father Chukapuran. It is my privilege to welcome my esteemed guests, Reverend Father Joseph Army, Reverend Father Teres Nonghikai, parish priest, for the rector, vice rector, and administrator. Our dear brothers and sisters, our respected former MLA, Professor Sawkmie, our dedicated doctors, nurses, volunteers of the caring ministry, our dear principal, teachers, parents, and all our beloved students. Your gracious presence has added joy and dignity to this memorable occasion. We are truly honored to have you with us. Today, we gather not to give farewell to Reverend Father Jones Chubakura, but also to express our sincere appreciation for his dedicated service, inspiring leadership, and unwavering commitment for our community.
We thank God for giving us power to see this. We thank God for all of you present here to be able to join us, the invitees, the students, the teachers, the doctors and nurses, all of us who have our relationship with this caring industry. Thank you, especially for the Calcutta province for sending Father CMUs here. And Father CMUs had a vision to uplift the health, the poverty, the homeless, and the underprivileged children. So with that vision, he started this caring industry in the month of August of 1989. It is now 27 years, Father, the journey of this ministry. He has started with a very few volunteers at that time, the Saint Sawkmie of the Mobile Parish, of which two are present here. We are happy that you are here. Bath in St. Martin and Bahan is Mala. For to be a very active volunteer at that time. We did not have a center. We started with very few children in Mauryan, Pulmogani and Mauryan, some of the children with bow legs and knock-kneed. So Father Jules said, sow the seed, and that was seed of with 14 children at that time. These volunteers at that time, they have to go to the house-to-house visit and giving medicine in their house, go and check whether they have finished or not, and tell the mother that we have to give very nicely the medicines as well as the nutrition. I am part of, since that time, for giving advice regarding the nutrition and regarding the other medical advices.
We have come together this afternoon to do something both simple and difficult. To say goodbye in one sense to a person who was quietly, patiently and lovingly shaped so much of what Sacred Heart Theological College and the wider Maulai region have become over these years. Simple because gratitude always finds words easily. Difficult because no words really capture what Father Joseph has given to us, to the caring community. Father Joseph, when you first came among us in 1988 and began this ministry, I was across Nonghikai in Don Bosco Technical School, and I heard about the ministry being started and so on at that period of time. But then I didn't have an opportunity to be involved in that ministry all these years, in spite of many years that I was here in Sacred Heart Theological College as well. But the fact that you brought with you something Don Bosco himself would have recognized immediately, that instinct to go where the need was greatest and stay there, not for a reason, but for as long as it took. I think that's what you did. You did not simply visit the sick. You built a ministry.
express my thanks to the staff of the Ministry of Caring for Children with Disability for inviting me one of the guests of the farewell meeting of Reverend Father Jose, that soon he will left from here and also he will walk in the new assignment that God has called him, and also the office has called him, that he will have only assigned as a vice priest, one of the church there in West Bengal. It is my pleasure to be part of the farewell meeting of Father St. Jose. On the day when I meeting with Congressman and Ohadi, I told her that how I can pronounce about the full name of St. Jose. They also told me that it is very difficult, very lengthy. Then the second day I already asked her, whether sorry Jose we have here in Mumbai, what is the title, what is a name or mission of the same family are coming? No, it's only the name of Jews that have only given. They only told me because they have only been in the village of St. Jose. They said that many Jews we have met, but there is no relative. No relative. That's why today I understood today. From now on I understand that many Jews we have not that many cases. We have Lingo with Sawkmie, close related each other, but they are quite different. But while living here today, my heart it started emotion in the sense that it wasn't in the sense because I knew Father St. Jose, he had been here for a long time. When I saw that many of the students, even Dr. Morgan, when she spoke, I could see that there is words at the time that she made to cry because the emotion. But I could see that Dr. Morgan, she can crawl because in one word, they very much they feel lonely. While Father St. Jose, on the day I called, when I called Chief Minister Jose, I think he said, we will see for you and we will see for you, Chief Minister Jose. Then I could see that everybody is with emotion. The person who spoke, the student who give the dance, song, and others, everybody feel with emotion. Emotion presents because Reverend St. Jose have done so much for society. The Reverend vocation says, kindness is a language that the deaf can hear, even the blind can see. It is a very tough word. If you elaborate and say it very nicely, it is a fact. A person of kindness. Kindness is the language the deaf can hear, even though the blind can see. It is a fact that it belongs to the same Jose. It is one of the mysteries that God has called him in a very special way. That if only inserted him, I will send you to the world. I will choose you to be the priest, but you will be special. When I word was special, understand, really important. He's a person. He's a person, right from he was young, and joined the ministry of the God ministry. He's a person who has devoted more time to be closer with God. But I've seen him. I've been very special and a kind-hearted compassion, getting off the blessing of a kind heart or compassion, it is very tough. You have to spend more time with your business. You have to spend more time with the Holy Mother. You have to spend more time with prayer, not only for the spending time. You have to act according to what you will like. If you're doing in that way, God will give you a very special. For the same goes, I feel that in this time, for me, that I would say I use goodbye. When you use goodbye, it means that we will not meet him anymore. We will meet him. But I use the word, we miss you, Father Saints. But we will remember you, the service you have done for society.
I was glad to come here and to work as the president of the college. So my great joy was once again I'm back to you all, with the same work, and it was a great joy for me to come back. Now 6 years are over, and now it's time for me to go back to Canada. As our process was saying, now 80 something there, 71 already, I am past, so I need to go back there to do something for my province before I do all. That is another reason why also I'm going. But then, as I said, dear children, dear teachers, dear sisters, and all of your dear friends, doctors, nurses, volunteers, all those who work with me very closely, I just want to say thank you from my heart. That's all what I want to say. Thank you for your love, thank you for your friendship, thank you to all of you who are sitting in the front line here with such beautiful words. Thank you very much. Okay. And for Riewniam, who is the new director, say I'm called CM Jose, isn't it? And he is A.L. Jose. Can you say that? A.L. Jose. Can you say that? Yeah, he is the new director. Okay. And so, because he's got a long host name, mine is easier, Chitokura, but that is Puri Patil. Okay. So you don't try to pronounce that word too much, but then it's very easy to call him A.L. Jose. And I know that he's got a heart for you all, because he has already shown it in so many ways, and he's going to take charge. He will do a wonderful job, even much better than what I could do. So I wish you all the best for our views, because you see so much love is here. So you will enjoy working with people who love you, and that is the best thing. And that was my experience here. From the beginning till now, so much love, so much friendship I received. Our process also, when I know, it was Dr. Marvin who mentioned that there are these two young people here who are almost so young. There was Samla at that time, but now they are here. You know, when we try to do something, it is not easy to do anything by ourselves. We need the help, the collaboration of others. And that was my most beautiful experience here. That so many people, with so much goodwill, so much love, work together, help me, help each other, and so we could do so much in this past year. And that is all of you, my dear friends. And that's why my heart is full of joy, and I want to say thank you. Because these two young men, now no more young, they are fathers of families and maybe grandparents and all that, I don't know. But they were there right from the beginning, because I didn't know any Kasi at that time. And so going around here in the villages, house to house, looking for people, asking them, anybody here with this sickness, anybody here with any problem like this and that. They were the ones who were accompanying, and some sisters, novices and others who were coming with us at that time. Thank you very much for mentioning and for remaining this really special way to you. Because at the beginning itself you were here, and you called your sister, Dr. Marvin, and from that time onward she's been with us all along. And yesterday we remember Dr. Linda, her first anniversary. She was also another person who was there right from the beginning. And then we have here Bynnud, who is, I don't know if also Christopher has come, I do not know, he's not there. Bynnud, I just want to say thank you to you very much, because not only was she coming to help you out, but you know, all the injections and all the medicines and all were supplied by her, all along, right from the beginning. You will not believe it. They have got a medical shop, but then to keep supplying that each time for the whole all the medical camps is not easy. I never got a chance publicly to acknowledge that. And I would like to do that. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.
Ka jing Trei lang klam ka jing Arab jong kiwe pat himla balai ki. Akan tahu klam om ke kerteng jong mana angne Trei ngam ko ben ai ku ya uble nan pinda jong ti baro. Ti baro kila Trei lang badna bila explore yang bila ai de lang ka jing Arab jong pi pun nak tiru kila ay pisa kila ay kapor banwan ban Trei minda ka singiru kila pilay por banwan na kita jam kaneka program pada his sister ki brother jom kaneka college no bor kelam ka jingerap jom kineki brother kineki father rakta bagi don ne kiwe par ki father ki don imla ka leke bless shibon nak minda jom ya paro nak minda jom paro ki jingerap pila ay dei yanga Trei, ban Trei lang kumne, Trei berkurang uble. Mungkin mau ya kan? Uble yui, uble peto, uble Sawkmie nama ba? Ni lala banle agar keteng jongu, ban wanra kajinge jongu, ngapun kibriu. Nea, mungkin kenapa kiwepan? Karena kalau kajingin jongi, in persang, nado mendaro, mat banle kumne, ban Trei lang, berjarak perkiliang. Ben snowbay uble aga kam jongi aga jing kule aga school aga college abbar badle kumne pat uble utsadon rengan ban ketu kedo yangi ban ayangi baro yakaba ni don't come. I must say a special word of thanks to Bruce here because at that time when we did build those houses he said to prepare those roads there and the road we needed also there was streams of water that were coming down there and it was not possible for us to cross there and the road to be. He helped also with money and then that time he was the MLA and thank you very much sir for that. Not only in so many ways you are always there, you are always present and encouraging and we remember that with gratitude and God will bless you. As you told me, God will bless me. I want to tell you that God will bless you also and God will surely bless every one of you here. Doctors, teachers, friends here, those who are sitting here, all of you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.